Today marks my last day at the company I have called home for the last 4 years. The same gate I once entered with nervous excitement, I am now walking out with quiet gratitude. ये रास्ते, ये लोग, सब कुछ जाने पहचाने हैं, but today everything feels a little different. 4 years of laughter, of working here, of lessons I didn't know I was learning, and now it's time to move to a new city, a new role, a new version of me, Bangalore. The city of beginnings, they say, but every beginning hides a goodbye. Lao Tzu once said, new beginnings are often disguised as painful endings. और शायद वही सच है. बड़े सपने हमेशा कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर ही मिलते हैं. Growth demands a little discomfort, little solitude. So today, as I step out of this gate, I am not just leaving a company, I am walking towards a new chapter of who I am becoming. And this is my first day in Bangalore at the Hilton Hotel in EGL. Here I am. Study table, TV, sofa, bed, kitchen, oven, snacks, bathroom. We also have iron for ironing our clothes, and yeah, what is this? Not sure. I think this is the iron platform ironing. So this is good facility. And if I come here, yeah, this is the laundry bags in case you want to give for laundry. The room is quite huge for a single person, so really happy with the size of the room, and especially the study table and the amazing chair. So quite spacious, looks elegant. And here's the bathroom. Let us have a look. So yeah, there's a jacuzzi, bathtub. So yeah, very nice. Here's a mirror. I can see myself over here or over here. Good napkins, I think body lotion and hand wash they've given. Nice setting. अरे गफूर, इसमें स्विमिंग पूल भी है रे. कल दिखाता हूँ स्विमिंग पूल. बढ़िया होटल है, एक नंबर होटल. Overall, very excited for the next 13 days at Hilton. Feels good that the hospitality is top notch. They just gave us a welcome drink, right? So this is the sugarcane juice that they gave. Some snacks that they've kept here. Some candies. I think some chocos, some cookies. You couldn't ask for a better drink. Really impressed that they gave a sugarcane juice instead of some sugary drink. So yeah, I'll be giving you the whole tour of the hotel. I'll show you the swimming pool, which I'm most excited about. Every day is a battle, and the gym is my war room. Before you face the world, you have to face yourself, your own limits, your own excuses. I've seen most good leaders begin their mornings like this, sweating it out, not to build muscles, but to build mindset. Because energy is the currency of performance, and without it, even the sharpest minds fade. जैसे ओशो ने कहा था, the body is the visible soul, and the soul is the invisible body. When you move your body, somewhere your spirit moves too. Psychology says motion creates emotion. So before I lift the weight of the day, I lift these weights. A nice workout in the gym. So after working out in the gym, I am all set for the breakfast now. Feels great. Forward to the day. First day at the new company. Set for the day one. Let's go. We are in the formals. We'll be joining all formalities etc. I have my bag, laptop. Let's go. और ये है 5 स्टार का ब्रेकफास्ट बुफे स्टाइल. पहले हम टपरी पे पोहा, चाय और कभी कभी समोसा खा के बड़े हुए, और आज यहाँ So many counters, so much variety. It's almost overwhelming. Silver plates, fresh fruits, pastries, eggs, cooked in every possible way. और खुद सोच रहा हूँ क्या मैं ये सब एक ही प्लेट में ले सकता हूँ? Honestly, थोड़ा नर्वस फील हो रहा है. ये सब लोग इतने पॉलिश्ड, इतने रिच लगते हैं और मैं बीच में खड़ा, मिडिल क्लास का लड़का, फर्स्ट टाइम इन अ 5 स्टार. बट डू यू नो, एक्साइटमेंट भी है और थोड़ी सी हंसी भी आती है कि देखो ना, बचपन के ड्रीम्स पूरे हो रहे हैं एक प्लेट के साथ. और यही फीलिंग है जब लाइफ सडनली एक नए लेवल पे आता है. हर चीज़ इतनी शाइनी, इतनी डिफरेंट, इतनी न्यू, इतनी वैरायटी तो भाई मैंने अपने ज़िंदगी में नहीं देखी थी. ये दाल, ये पूरी, ये अंडा, ये अचार. भाई ब्रेकफास्ट में इतना सब कैसे खा पाऊँगा भाई? राइस भी है, चाइनीज़ भी है, सब काउंटर्स पे सब पड़ा हुआ. ये क्या, टमाटर, आलू, ओ भाई साहब, सैलड. सुबह सुबह सैलड कौन खाता है? और ये प्लेट्स, और ये क्या है, ये क्या है? ओ गॉड, यहाँ पे है अपना बेकन, चिकन, सॉसेजेस. वाओ, ये सब ब्रेकफास्ट में कैसे खा पाएंगे? पोक, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. तो मैंने फाइनली अपनी प्लेट भर ली. अपना जूस, एक मिल्क शेक, एक डोसा तो बनता है इन बैंगलोर. It's around 12 o'clock, so we'll be going to the swimming pool, as you can see. So the key card has to be placed here, without which you cannot use the lift. Okay, that's for security reasons. While going up, you have to swipe the key card. So I have to do this and press second floor, which is our floor, room number 1263. Yep. Okay, here we are. So we are back to our room. These are the snacks that I haven't used yet. There's no opportunity because the breakfast becomes so heavy. Alright, so day 2 today, and yesterday's evening was a bit lonely, and looking forward to this day 2. काश यहाँ पे मेरे फ्रेंड्स होते जिनके साथ मैं यहाँ पे पक्का डुबकी लगाता, पर खैर अकेला हूँ तो अकेला ही सही. रियल fun of having breakfast buffet in a hotel is after working out. So workout is a priority, everything else comes secondary. You feel good, you feel better, you sweat it out, and then you have the right to eat. So I'm heading towards my room. This is the pool area. I'll show you the buffet area. So this is the buffet kind of area where people have already gathered. Yeah, true. So bhai, we are ready for the day 2 and थोड़े पर्दे निकाल देते हैं, right? उजाला कायम रहे. So yeah, day 2 of the formals. I think we are all set, and the formals, belt, shoes, and yeah, iron clothes. I think we are all sorted. So this is the way towards the swimming pool. This is the way towards the buffet area. यहाँ पे काफ़ी कुछ है. यहाँ पे इनका in-house bar है called Klings. यहाँ पे इनके changing rooms है for swimming pool, restrooms है, and ये सीधा जाता है हमारे buffet area के तरफ जहाँ पे हमको breakfast complimentary है. And this is the swimming pool that we've already come, which is temperature maintained. So yeah, ब्रेकफास्ट का टाइम हो गया है और चलते हैं. और भाई आज हमने ब्रेकफास्ट में ले लिया है पूरी, क्योंकि इंसान पूरी पे आ ही जाएगा. पूरी, उपमा, दही, ये क्या है भाई, गोभी. तो छोले और पूरी के साथ आज हमने किया नाश्ते की शुरुआत, क्योंकि कब तक तुम खाओगे ब्रोकली, सैलड, जूस. आखिर पे आलू पूरी पे आप इंडियन हो तो आपको आना ही पड़ेगा. आप पोहा उपमा ढूंढोगे ही ढूंढोगे. Okay, so we are here with a round 2 of the breakfast. और ये आ गया है सेकेंड इनिंग्स में अपने पास पोहा, अपने पास आ गया है इडली, 2-3 टाइप की चटनी, क्योंकि भाई बैंगलोर है तो इडली और चटनी खानी तो बनती है. और पोहा महाराष्ट्रियन हूँ तो पोहा तो जहाँ दिखे वहाँ पे टूट पड़ता हूँ. और थर्ड राउंड में आ गया अपना आलू का पराठा भाई. कुछ पनीर और आलू के पराठे के साथ हम छोले भी खा सकते हैं, दही भी खा सकते हैं और अचार भी खा सकते हैं. तो भाई आलू का पराठा आज तो बल्ले बल्ले आलू का पराठा हो गया है. और भाई फोर्थ इनिंग्स में हमने ब्रेड ऑमलेट भी ले लिया. मतलब आज तो लंच करने की ज़रूरत ही ना है जी, पूरा कसर निकाल दी. आज तो भाई पेल के खाया है. और भाई टमाटर, आहा टमाटर बड़े मज़ेदार, वो टमाटर बड़े मज़े. तो टमाटर तो कभी हम खाते नहीं है, पर चलो इसके साथ खा लेंगे. और फिफ्थ राउंड में जी अपना आ गया है काजू बादाम जूस, अंडा. मालिक इतना अनहेल्दी खा लिया है तो थोड़ा हेल्दी खा ही लेते हैं. थोड़ा सा अंडा, थोड़ा सा जूस, थोड़ा सा काजू बादाम, अपने को फाइबर प्रोटीन कुछ तो मिले. इतना पराठा वराठा पेलने के बाद थोड़ा सा हेल्दी तो बनता है. और ये वापस हमने ले लिया ऑफिस की तरफ मोड़. वही दिन भर का काम, सुबह जाओ 9 to 5 की नौकरी. और हम गए ब्रेकफास्ट खाने के बाद तो थोड़ी सी नींद भी आ रही थी, पर जैसे तैसे हमने लंच अवॉइड किया और अपना दिन भर का काम किया. और काम ख़त्म होने के बाद हम लोग वापस चल पड़े अपने हिल्टन होटल में. चलते हैं वापस. So here is our room, and this is the room key card. It says Hilton, right? And swipe it here and open the room and keep the key here and the lights will turn on. And this has been our room for the past 2 days. I've just come from the office. Day 2. I'll switch on the lights. It was a good day in the office. Overall, I'm really tired. Getting up at 7 in the morning, breakfast, and right now it's around 6:37. So had a long day. Had a long day at work. Formal clothes की अभी आदत रही नहीं है भाई. Day was very lonely. In the evening, it hit me that staying alone in the hotel, away from the family. Although 5-star seems like a dream, although 5-star seems very attractive, but if you are alone, staying alone, away from your family, friends, completely to a new city where you don't know anyone, new people in the office, it can get very, very lonely. And yesterday almost I got very emotional because my mom called me and she also said that she is missing me a lot, and I shared the same emotion. I had the urge to go to social media, download the app, download Instagram again. I'm off Instagram right now, but I had a huge, very, very strong urge yesterday to download Instagram, but I said no, let me face this boredom. Let me know what exactly I'm thinking. What is it I'm running away from? So I got very emotional. I'm outside of Pune. I stayed with my parents for the last 4 years, but right now I'm alone. So what I got to realize is, first, 5-star is super, 5-star is great, but if you're alone in a 5-star, it does not matter. If you're going with your family, then it matters. If you're going with your friends, then your happiness doubles. But just for the fanciness of it, just to appear as cool, and staying alone is actually overrated. So for me, the journey is more important. The people I go with, travel with, is more important rather than the destination where I'm staying. Happiness increases when it is shared. And I need to be close to my people. A lot of realizations and gyan coming learnings will be shared as it is. There's no dilution, there's no muska, there's no addition or deletion of my experience. I'm sharing my experience as it is. If it is good, good, bad, bad, I don't care. But whatever experience I'm going through, I'm just sharing and recording so that it may benefit you through my life experience, or when I see back this video, it will remind me of the things that really matter to me, that are important to me. Alright then, see you in the next video. Take care. So this was my first week coming from Pune to Bangalore, making a new switch, changing the city, new company, new life. कभी लगता है एक्साइटमेंट है, कभी लगता है अकेलापन भी साथ आया है. But maybe that's what new beginnings feel like. थोड़ा सा fear, थोड़ा thrill. The story has just started. और असली कहानी अभी बाकी है. If you've ever stepped out of your comfort zone, this journey might just feel like yours too. So do subscribe and come along. Let's see where life takes us next.